We have already started our activities in Israel, in Israeli market, and we are trying to promote we are promoting our products for connecting distributed generators to the grid. So our products are mains decoupling relays. So something which is in between the generator and the grid. So we are always trying to explain our customers that what they are buying is not only the product like this, but it's the certifications and the compliance to the local standards that are in their country. And that's our actually main business, to get to the countries, learn about the standards, learn about the regulations, and incorporate or implement those regulations in our products so that we can offer this solution to the customers. Our product is applicable for any kind of generation which is connected in synchronous operation to the grid. So the operator of the grid requires in every country, in every situation, the operator requires that the generator will not influence in his grid in case that there is a failure in his grid. So it should stay safe, it should stay controlled, and if there is a failure, the generator must disconnect from the grid. So that's the very strict requirement, and those requirements then differ depending on the methods that the grid operator is using. So that's the place where we come into the business when any operator of a generator, like a synchronous generator or a photovoltaic plant or a wind farm or a small hydro generation wants to connect to the grid, he always comes to the requirements, he faces the requirements of the grid operator, and that's where we can help him because our products are certified in the countries to already comply to what is needed in that point. So if he uses the product, then he already uses all the certifications and all the approvals that are in place in his country. And that's where we bring the added value to his project. It brings the efficiency, or it improves the time when the unit is connected and when it's not connected, because it precisely measures the mains voltage, and it disconnects only in case that it's really necessary, that the operator of the grid has a real problem, has a real failure, and we can disconnect. So we can disconnect in the proper time, which first saves the money for downtime in case of unnecessary trips, and on the second place, it also increases the safety of the operation and assures or protects the investment of the generator operator, so that he's safe against unwanted situations where, for example, he would not disconnect in the right moment and he can cause some damage in the grid consumers, in the people who are connected in this area, and that can be supplied by bad quality voltage, so he can use this unit to prevent this situation. So that also saves the investment of the generator operator. So on this exhibition we are promoting not only our mains decoupling relays, which is Mains Pro, and our other product IntelliPro, which we have here on the posters, but we also promote here our production line of control systems. So this is the control system for parallel generators, engine-driven generators, gensets, and the color interface in television 8 and television 5. On the bottom you can see the control system for simple standby or single generators for operating the generators in a single mode, in island operation. Well, Bekkomap is a diversified company, so we are targeting different markets. This bottom one is targeting the IntelliNano, is targeting the high volume market of generator sets applications. So the smaller sets, something which is a little bit more complex than the key start, but not really too much, and it's a very cost-effective solution for this market. Then we are targeting the high end, which means very very complex applications, including, for example, biogas stations or cogeneration plants. All of this is like gensets applications, so generator with combustion engine. And then we are targeting the renewables, and we are targeting the renewable market with our mains decoupling relays. So that's the product on the top.
To any source.
We have a solution to any source of distributed energy. That's our core market.